Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an DCT question. So this is an Engineering Mathematics, Diploma Engineering Mathematics 2, Model Question Paper 1, Part D, Section 2 questions. These are the 10 marks question. Show that, here they given, show that the lines 3x plus 2y is plus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. We have to show it. So here you can write slope. You have to slope of the line. First line you just write down slope of the line. I'll just write it. Slope of line. Let us consider 1. Okay. So that you consider 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. This line you can represent in terms of slope y is equal to mx plus c. So now I am going to write it this equation. 2y is equal to, shift this side, 3x minus 5. According to this equation and this equation, you just see this is an m. So here m is minus 3. Okay. So if I modify 2 will be there. If I modify this equation, so y is equal to minus 3 by 2 x, okay, minus 5 by 2. So here, so m1, so just I'll write it in terms of another color. M1 let us is minus 3 by 2, m1 for first equation. We will move on to second equation. So now consider slope of the line 2, which is a slope of the line, this one. So write down, sorry, 2x. So 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. This I am going to write it is y is equal to mx plus c. So we need to find out the slope. So minus 3y as it is you write down. So shift this side to minus 2x minus 7. So y is equal to minus if you shift this side, so you will get minus cancel. 2 by 3x plus 7 by 3. Okay. So here m, so equation is, it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus 3. So m is here 3 by 2. So 2 by 3. So write down m2. Let us consider m1. Already m1 we have calculated. So m2 is 2 by 3. So this is an m2. Now we have to show that the lines are perpendicular. We need to find out the lines are perpendicular. So already we have calculated. Check, we are going to the condition of perpendicular. We have calculated. So m1 is minus 2 by 2. m2 is minus 2 by 3. Okay. m1 is minus 3 by 2. m2 is 2 by 2. Check perpendicular condition. I am going to check perpendicular condition. Okay. So m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So now I am going to substitute minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So if you cancel this and this and this, so finally you will get minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is perpendicular, hence we proved. This is 25th question, same question. B as given. To find the equation of the line joining 2 points as given 1, 2 and 4, 6. So we need to find out the equation of line joining. So let us consider x1 and y1 as given. x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Okay. So now I am going to write equation. So m is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay. x2 minus x1. This is an equation. So substitute here 6 minus 2. 4 minus 1. So you will get 4 by 3. Okay. slope of the point 1 comma 2. If you take slope of the point 1 comma 2, like it you have to write slope form, okay, point, you can take any one point, I'll take 1 comma 2. So y minus y1 slope we got m, okay. The equation will be, I'll write it, equation, slope form equation I'm going to write. So y minus y1, if I take first equation, so m into x minus x1. So we have calculated slope, okay, we have calculated slope, m is equal to 4 by 3. So I'll substitute y as it is, y1 is 2, so m is 4 by 3, x as it is, okay, minus 1. So now I am going to multiply 3. I am going to multiply 3. If I multiply 3 both left side and right side, so you will get 3y minus 6 is equal to 4x minus 1. So if you multiply and modify the equation, so you will get an equation form 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This will be an answer for this question. In this equation we have to differentiate twice. So d square y by dx square, twice we have to differentiate. So above equation, as it is you write down, okay. So I am going to differentiate this equation, dy by dx is equal to a is a constant, okay, differentiation of cos mx is equal to, so m as it is write down, cos differentiation is minus sin, so I'll write minus here directly, okay, minus sin mx, okay, plus b constant. So differentiation of sin mx is equal to m as it is write down, so cos mx it is, okay. Again you have to differentiate, I'll write d square y by dx square is equal to, so minus a, so differentiation of cos square, m into m, you can write m square, okay, sin become cos mx. So here cos becomes sin, so if positive become negative, we write it as it is, m into m square m. So differentiation of cos mx is become minus sin mx, okay. So if you substitute x value is equal to 0 according to above problem, x is equal to 0, so that time cos 0 always 1, this we should know, and sin 0 is equal to 0, these terms you should know, okay. So now what I am going to write, just I will substitute here only x is equal to 0, okay. If I substitute x is equal to 0, so minus a m square, so cos 0 minus b m square sin 0, m into 0 will be L written. So what, this term, this becomes 0, so this is 1. So what you will get, minus a m square will be an answer for above question.